Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Hope you had a great weekend. It's Monday, so let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alrighty, let's get to this week's channel shout out. More than happy to do these shout outs for my fellow YouTube friends and family. If I can pick it up. Oh, cool. We got Dominic Minischetti right now this week. Excellent. A very cool guy. Very cool. I'll zoom in on his sticker here in a moment. Alright. So here's the sticker. Wow, camera. Come on. Right next to Backpacking with Buckley. Michael Bruner. Plain Old Chuck. Shirley Seychelle. Black and White Forest Herders again, Bushcraft and Baseball, and Carolina Chris Outdoors. Very cool.
Well, alrighty, there we go. This channel link will be down in the description, as always, and there'll be end cards somewhere on screen, as always. And let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there. All the way from our very appreciated recruits to our very, very appreciated veterans. Let's not forget either 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. We should get it down to 0, 22 a day, no more. So as always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.